Hi everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Welcome to 2026. Happy New Year! So, welcome to a video in which we wrap up or we recap 2025 and we go ahead into 2026. So, मेरे पीछे आप लोग देख सकते हैं we have my 2025 का vision board. I created this huge, massive vision board this year, which is applicable for 2025, 26, and 27 as well. Apart from that, that also can act as a decor piece in my house. To the people who always say vision boards do not work, hi, my name is Deepa. Please give me 10 to 20 minutes, and I can assure you that vision boards do work because each year I have made vision board and they have worked out. So, starting from this, initially I had a biker girl image over here, and I have rode bikes this year a lot, which might not be a goal for many, but I wanted to ride more, and I did that in 2025 because every day when you wake up, or when I used to wake up, I used to have this massive vision board in front of me. So kahin na kahin I used to manifest all these things, and on a day-to-day basis they started coming together, and now it all makes sense. The next pictures that I have is over of a beach. So I have been to Puri at least 2 to 3 times this year by God's grace. So that Puri and that beach, so that beach wala image is also ticked off. I could not travel more, but I did go to a mountain. I did go to a mountain and a beach this year. We did go to the Kotakonda temple, which is in Andhra Pradesh, and वो एक mountain के peak पे है, वो एक बहुत ही ऊपर वाले जगह पे है, and that was a really beautiful view. So yes, I did go to a mountain as well. Then we have this contract thing over here, which did come true because in the initial months of this year, I did sign a contract with my publisher for my first solo book ever, that is Rivellon, which is already out and it's available in Amazon. You'll find its link in the description box of today's video as well. So the next thing is I'm doing this for myself. The next thing is upgrading my library. I did buy a lot of books this year, but I could not read a lot of books this year. मैं ना मेरे novels पढ़ पाई हूँ, ना non-fiction इतना ज़्यादा पढ़ पाई हूँ. I could have read, I should have read, but नहीं पढ़ पाई हूँ. So 2026 में I'm planning to read more. Definitely that's something that I'm gonna do in 2026. The next thing is I do have a picture of a Michael Kors bag over here. And in January 10, 2025, that was the first gift that I gifted myself. And that was my New Year gift to myself with this particular hope that yes, you have survived all these years and ye saal acha hoga. So that was the first gift, that the New Year gift I gifted myself. So I do have that Michael Kors bag with me right now. Next, we do have a tattoo ka picture over there. Peace ka tattoo ka picture, and in July 2025 I did get my first tattoo. This is the symbol of peace. So to calm myself down, I used to draw this peace ka tattoo right exactly over here, black pen se. I still have pictures of this particular thing in my highlights in my socials. 2022, maybe it was 2022 or something. So उस चीज़ का मेरे माइंड में हमेशा से रहा है. 2021 और 2022 उसी ईयर से, मेरे ग्रेजुएशन के दिन से, बेसिकली दैट आई वांटेड दिस पर्टिकुलर पीस टैटू टू बी exactly over here. It is there. And I did plan to get 2 tattoos. One is this hope, one is this one, and another one is hope. I wanted to write hope over here or over here. वो अब तक मैंने किया नहीं है, but I'm planning to write something else over here or over here. In 2026, अब से बता रही हूँ, yes, I'm planning to get one more tattoo in 2026. An author signing her books, yes, that did happen in 2025, and that has also been ticked off my vision board. And I'm planning to do more as well. So yeah, it can always stay there in the vision board. The next thing is this. ये नहीं हुआ 2025 में. It's a vanity van. Vanity van में this girl is posing like this. That didn't happen in 2025. But I'm keeping my fingers crossed. We don't know what's gonna happen in 2026, but we can manifest it. So yeah, just doing that. Female author writing her new book, which it's a work in progress. I'm not promising anything, but कुछ भी हो सकता है. It's a brand new year. इसमें कुछ भी हो सकता है. Next thing is gym. Yes, I did go to gym this year, but I was not consistent enough. मैंने घर पे थोड़े बहुत movements किए हैं, but 2025 I have a lot to say about 2025. जो कि मैं बोलूँगी right after reviewing my vision board. जो कि एक नए घर में एक चाबी का a part of this has happened and a part of this is going to happen in 2026. I shifted to another city and I was living in a hostel. And yeah, अभी के लिए सिर्फ उतना ही बोलूँगी. And in 2026, I'm planning to get my own 1 RK or 1 BHK in which I can shoot properly, I can stay. The next thing is a coffee bar, which is also related to the new apartment or the new place in which I can do a lot of things. वहाँ पे भी obviously I'll have my own coffee section and all those things. Then 100K, it's a big milestone. We definitely did not get to 100K, but 1K हुआ इस साल. In 2025 1K हुआ and 2026 का गोल ये है कि 5K या 10K रखते हैं इस साल का गोल. Forbes 30 under 30. I'm not 30 yet, so yes, 5 more years to go. Forbes. Upgrading my things or upgrading my equipments, that also did not happen this year because we were juggling between jobs, we were juggling between a lot of things. A lot of things did change in my life this year. Yes, I wrote more poetry this year. Yes, I did write a lot this year. I did feel a lot this year. And I did have, okay, I'll be honest. I did interact with a side of me that I didn't even know existed inside. And that girl is scary. I don't know how to talk to her. I don't know how to deal with her because this is something that is completely new for me. I've never met her before. She's the one that has broken all my ethics, that has broken all my rules, and still has the audacity to stand in front of me and face me, shaking me till my core. I don't know how to express this, but yeah, I did meet a side of me I didn't know existed. She is strong, she is bold, but I don't know. मैंने इस साल अपने आप को जाना, मैंने इस साल अपने आप को एक अलग ही वे में जाना है कि सो मेरे माइंड में बहुत ही ज़्यादा शॉर्ट सर्किट्स भी हुए हैं इस साल. एंड माई हार्ट ऑल्सो डिड ब्रेक, not into pieces but into powder this year. And because I'm a very different person in my office, I'm a very different person over here. 2025 did not ask me if I was ready or not. It just simply threw me into a war zone and it's like, yeah, it's your task, get back alive. I don't know how. निहत ने मुझे war zone में फेंक दिया 2025 ने, because वहाँ पे एक और चीज़ भी है public speaking के बारे में. Yeah, it's over here about this public speaking thing. That did happen this year, and I did step into a place or into a brand new space that was very, very new for me. I didn't know anything about this, but that particular field or that particular topic. I'm not talking about my classes. But yeah, I did experiment a lot this year. I did learn a lot this year. I did cry a lot this year. But yes, I did evolve a lot this year as well. What a year 2025 has been. Yes, of course, I do have my Simba Lifestyle Planner with me. Let's open and review my Simba Lifestyle Planner and let's fill it up a little bit. ज़्यादा नहीं करूँगी, but yeah, a little bit definitely. So firstly, they have introduced this mood menu cards in which you have your daily affirmations as well as cards, real cards this time. This is a deck of cards and आप इसके साथ खेल भी सकते हो using this. Let's see what this has in store for us, because आजकल tarot card वाली आंटी को मैं बहुत देखने लगी हूँ, because I have been very confused about my life this year, 2025 को. So you are low-key glowing like warm green tea. Green tea glow, I don't know how it relates, but yeah, let's see. You're one sip away from slaying. Again, number 8. Okay. Then we have number 9. It's number 9. You are allowed a second serving. So it's cute. You can play card games in this as well, which we will this year, because we are gonna have our girlfriends over in our room and we are gonna play for a while. I'm planning to meet my friends more this year. So this year my theme, or the theme that I have thought of, is blue, purple, black and brown. These are the colors of 2026 for me in my mind, and luckily my nail paint matches it as well, and so does my 2026 planner. So this is Small Sips Big Shifts by Simba Lifestyle. इस बार इन्होंने हर एक मंथ को एक एक ड्रिंक के साथ कंपेयर किया हुआ है. And yeah, we have a lot of things over here and I just can't wait to start these things. Let's see July में क्या है, because July is my birthday month and yeah, I want to see July का theme. It's green. Okay, the balanced buzz, mint leaves of mindfulness, one squeeze of it's not that deep, 4 ice cubes of calm. This is how they have described July this year. I'm already excited and yeah, I'm already excited for this year. We have a lot of things in mind for 2026. But as I said earlier, or as I mentioned earlier, this particular vision board is for 2025, 2026 and 2027 as well. But we might create another vision board in 2027. But as of now, this is the one. Plus I have 6 to 7 things which when I do or when I make a vision board, I will paste those pictures over here. As of now, I have not printed out those pictures. So abhi मैं paste नहीं कर सकती हूँ. I can write a few things, like I can paste a few stickers over here and I can write my name on this. That was it for this video, you all. I really hope people like this. You people like this. If you did so, do hit the like button to subscribe to my channel. Consider subscribing, and we have a lot of things in store for all of you, for me, for you as well, because 2026 mein shifts are happening, especially in January and in February. We have a lot of shifts that I have personally planned to make in my life, in my career, in my professional world as well. So yeah, stay tuned for all those updates and stay tuned for all the beautiful videos that we are going to create together. I hope you people like this video. If you did so, do hit the like button to subscribe to our channel. And I'll see you people in my next video. Tab tak ke liye keep spreading love, keep smiling, and bye. Happy New Year!